Hey guys, my name is Jessica Cubias, and for Cartography 167, I have decided to present California a biodiversity haven. And before I get started on the maps and why I made them the way I did, I just wanted to explain why I chose this topic. Personally, I'm majoring in environmental science as well, but I think that in our current state of affairs, it's important to show the public or make the public try to understand that our environment is really important, and it can be kind of hard, especially for the newer generation, because we become so accustomed to living like the life we do, and we're a society of consumers, and that's very hard to understand, and we just consume, but we don't understand like how we get those things or what processes like happen for us to get our Amazon package and whatnot. But besides the point, I think that it's important to show them that even in our state of California, which isn't a big part of the world, there is so much biodiversity happening. We get to experience 4 different types of ecosystems. We experience, depending on what part of California, we experience all kinds of weather, and we have a large population of endemic species in our state. So I think it's important that we may not save the world, or we may not have the potential to save the whole world, but we can start small, and I think that California is doing a great job in promoting biodiversity. Even if our country has decided to walk away from the Paris Accords and stuff, California is doing a good job at that, promoting protecting the environment. But sorry about that. For the maps, I decided that it would be very important to portray the maps in a simple but still informative way for the regular audience to understand how diverse California really is. So I settled on 4 maps, and it is the state of California. First one being protected biodiversity areas in California. And it's pretty simple and straight to the point, which I think is important because some maps can be very complicated and people just not understand. But I apologize if the screen is really small. I have a small computer, so I wish I could show it to you in a bigger format. But for protected biodiversity areas, I went with a simple look. I just thought that we should show how the different areas of biodiversity that we have in California. And for ecological divisions, I thought this one was really good because it shows that we have different types of environment in our state: marine, Mediterranean, temperate, desert, and tropical. And as you go down, you can kind of see that they kind of look the same, but I think I was going for that look. They're side by side, you can kind of compare them together, if that makes any sense. And then I think it's important to show just how rich our state is in terms of mammals and plants. So I also went for the same thing